We've been in situations where we copied something, but then when you restarted your PC, it's no longer your clipboard, or your clipboard limit deleted it, right? In today's video, we'll be learning an alternate to your normal clipboard, your normal Windows clipboard. You no longer have to fear losing what you copied because you restarted your PC, or you reaching your limit. And also, you can search from what you've copied. So you don't have to start scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Just remember the word in what you search or whatever, and just search it. So what we'll be using today for our copy and pasting like a pro is Ditto, Ditto. And what is Ditto? It's basically a copy keyboard or a keyboard manager, a more extensive and intuitive one, like the most powerful so far. So how do we install Ditto? Getting Ditto, you go to your browser and search for Ditto Clipboard. Then you can either download from the GitHub repository or Microsoft Store. So once you've downloaded and installed, when you open it, you'll see it's down here. So if you click on it, it opens your clipboard actually when you click on it. But you want to click and open something, so you right click on options. So when you click on options, now you have quite a number of options you can work with or play with. Or go to keyboard shortcuts. So keyboard shortcuts here is what you use to open or close your keyboard. So for me, I use Alt and tilde. You can change it to whatever you want. Then that's just what you need to know, basically, to use it. You can play around to check all that, but that's just it. So once you've done that, you can then activate Ditto from anywhere. So you see, it has both images, text. Your copying is unlimited. If you want it limited, you can also set that. Up. So let's go back to Ditto. Options. Maximum number of saved copies. You check this, say 500. But if you don't want it to be limited, you uncheck it. I just kept it 500. I don't know why, but I just kept it to stop at 500. But if you don't want it to have a cap, you can uncheck that. And as you can see, it's really, really fast. So let's say you want to search. You just start typing and it filters on the go. Do it again. Let's say on the go. So once you're done, let's say you get something and just click and you press enter. Let me use Notepad. Let's say you want it here. Type brand, press enter, and it saves. Now anything you paste, that becomes the first on the list. So let's say you want to search for video. Now it becomes the first on the list again. That means if you just do Ctrl V, just keep pasting that. Ctrl V. Then there are other options too. So if you right click, you have special paste where you can paste up as all uppercase, lowercase, many more. Then a lot of other settings. You can also edit what you have there. So let's say you want to pin any of your clips to the top. You can just right click order, make top sticky. Right click order, make top sticky. So making it the top doesn't necessarily mean that's what you're going to paste. Okay, so nothing is spacing because what's currently on the keyboard is an image. If you go to my File Explorer now, I can place that image, but here you can place an image. So let's go back and let's say this. I can keep pasting that. So pinning to the top is only for you to have quick access to it. You can also group your clips. So let's say you have your account numbers copied and you want to group all of them into one. You can choose here, right click, group, new group, add to group. Then you do the move to groups. So if you have a group already, you just groups, you want to purely groups. And many much more you can do with Ditto. So with this, you no longer need your Windows Clipboard Manager. You no longer need this. That's very, very limited. For Ditto now, you have as much as you want. And for you to move it around, you hold on the side of the top. Hold on the side to move it around. And also click there and go to options, just in case. So my final thoughts on this is that once you start using it, you cannot on start. You just want to like that. You can't undo using it because it really helps. It's like almost a time saver kind of tool if you think about it. Hope this helps. See you in the next one.